Hey guys, so in this really quick video, I'm going to compare ElevenLabs with the voice AI and what are the main differences that you need to know. So the first thing first that you need to know about both is they're kind of like different, only because the ElevenLabs is primarily focusing on the power text to speech. So you can see it here on the pricing and you can have the voice changer and things like that, but primarily is the text to speech with natural human-like voice line synthesis, designed for creating realistic voiceovers. But voice AI is for voice transformation and voice cloning, allows users to mimic specific voice or create custom voices for live use, gaming, streaming, or calls. ElevenLabs is completely different level. Plenty of YouTubers are using that. You can have highly realistic and emotional voices. Inflection control allows for more natural context-aware delivery. With voice AI also capable of realistic voice cloning, but less refined comparing to ElevenLabs. Because yes, you are going to also have the voice changer here. But from my own perspective, ElevenLabs is primarily for, dubbing, text to SFX, voice cloning, text to speech. So use case ElevenLabs is good for video narration, audiobooks, podcast advertisement, virtual assistant. But voice AI is better for gaming, live streaming, prank calls, role playing, social media content creation, entertainment focused projects requiring live interaction. So with ElevenLabs, you don't have it real time. With voice AI, you have it for real-time use and it's designed for that. And that's something you have to be aware of. So the pricing also with the ElevenLabs, you are going to have pricing on a free tier where you can test it out, but you can have kind of limited what you can do with it. And then you can have it pricing based on limits. And you see right here the credit limits that you can use. And with voice AI, you are going to have the option to have the free version. So that's pretty much for both. I just want to make this quick video for you. So have a great day and goodbye.